Hi, the last time we took a little break and we're back now. We noticed that when we were putting the blade on, that our tracking arm up here was down hitting the metal on this guard here. You can see the tracking arm on this piece right here. And so we chose to remove a little bit of metal out here so that it could come down and be clear and not involve any problems. If you choose, there's many ways that you could do it. You could bend the metal out. You could take a little bit, just a little bit off of here. It's not much, just enough to make it a problem. You could even put shim washers behind this whole guard assembly to move it out of the way a little bit. Whatever you feel the most comfortable with. But anyway, we've reinstalled the blade. We've reinstalled the switch. We've reinstalled the blade guides, and we've reinstalled this new blade guard that comes with the kit. Okay, so that's pretty much it in a nutshell. It really didn't take that long. It was actually quite easy. So now what we'll do is we'll turn it on. And we'll show you that it works good. We'll turn it back off for safety. And I'll show you that, yes, you have gained quite a bit of throat distance in there with this. So it's actually a pretty nice kit. Goes on quite well, quite easy. Everything lines up. It wasn't a nightmare at all. And that's about it. Have a nice day.